smart kids! Let's play a game with shapes and colors. What shape is this? It's a circle, and it's red. Here are some examples of circles in our daily life: ball, button, donut. Now, what about this one? It's a rectangle, and it's pink. Here are some examples of rectangle in our daily life: notebook, a bar of chocolate, a door. This one's pointy. It's a triangle, and it's orange. Here are some examples of triangles in our daily life: pizza slice, party hat, traffic cone. What about this one? It's a square, and it's blue. Here are some examples of square in our daily life: carom board, dice biscuit. This shape is super shiny. It's a star, and it's yellow. Here are some examples of star in our daily life: starfish, balloon, badge. You did amazing! Red circle, pink rectangle, orange triangle, blue square, yellow star. Shapes and colors are fun. Can you find these shapes around your home? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more fun learning.